Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to use if error function in Excel. So let's get started. Uh, uh, in this, uh, in eh, basically, if error formula is used to check whether there is a problem in the column and the specific in the specific selected column, and if not the same text uh, will be pasted there. So the formula for this is equal to if error array rate is equal to if error cell address comma inverted commas, and you can write anything that you want to you can write anything you want to write if you want to see in the place where where there is a problem in the column or in the data type or text. So you can do it now. Inverted commas excel inverted comma close bracket. Now press enter. There we go. There, this means now 100 is pasted in this column. This means that there is no problem, there is no error in this column, and you can, yes, therefore there is a problem. There is no problem in any of these uh, column. You can if there will be problem, it will show excel in this. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back in another video soon.